Alright guys, so it's time again to do a multiplication pattern sheet. This might not be the one that you have, but just to review, the goal is to complete as much as you can in 2 minutes. When the timer goes off, you must stop, okay? Because when I check these, I'm not just checking for how many you get right. I also want to see if things are becoming a little quicker for us, right? Because if I notice that we're all struggling, then maybe that will change the way I teach it. I'll show you guys a different strategy to help us get a little quicker with these facts. Okay? So whatever sheet you have, alright, look for it. It looks just like this. It should say multiplication pattern sheet at the top. Alright, you have 2 minutes to do your very best, okay? I'm going to have the timer right here. Now, if it distracts you, then maybe turn the screen away. But, yeah, okay. When I say go, you have 2 minutes to do your very best work. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, your 2 minutes is up. Good work. Okay, so if it is not already, make sure that your name is on this sheet because I need to know who it belongs to. When I get this, I will check and make sure if you completed it that you got all the questions right and then move you along to your next one. Okay? Remember, we have all year to complete all of these sheets, so do not worry if you did not get all of them done yet. Alright, keep growing your brains. Good job, mathematicians.